tell me a little bit more about the vision engineering system? I mean, this is a core technology that you guys are implementing here.
Well, we consider that one of our fundamental competitive advantages.
Okay.
So with our 4 brands, we looked at what are the best practices amongst those brands and how we go about designing our pre-engineered building systems. So we've taken the best components of each of those brands and consolidated that down into this new vision engineering system.
Okay. Okay. All right, multiple brands. How has BlueScope positioned itself to service the West Coast market?
Okay. I'm the operations manager for BlueScope Buildings, and my responsibility is to produce the product for the western region of the United States. So that's essentially west of the Rocky Mountains, from California, Arizona, up through Canada and Alaska. We also ship to Hawaii, Guam, Midway Island, some of the military installations in the Pacific. Our goal was to be close to our customers. We know that freight is a very important part of the cost of the building system, so we wanted to be close. And this facility in California could be within 300 miles of majority of our customers, and our other facility in the west is in Arlington, Washington, and then we feel they can be within 500 miles of the core business in that market, and that meets our goals, to be within 500 miles anywhere in the U.S. of our customers.
What does the IAS certification and CWB certification mean for the company?
Okay. Well, IAS AC 472 certification is the new certification for our metal building industry, and this was the first facility within BlueScope Buildings to pass that. We passed that. It has both an engineering component and a manufacturing component, and we passed that here for the West back in February.
Wow.
And the AWS, American Weld Society, certification is a means which we certify our hand welders. We do give them tests, and they can perform welds in the weld procedures that we operate in, so they're certified welders. We also have that for CWB, the Canadian Weld Bureau.
Oh.
They come down every 6 months and train and certify our welders as well, so we can produce product for the Canadian market.
Right.
So we'll do that in both Arlington, Washington, and in Visalia, California.
Okay. Okay. What do you think really separates you from your competitors?
Well, I believe, we've stated before, we consider the vision engineering system, probably the best in breed, best in our industry. We're very excited about launching that. It's very flexible for the engineering. It takes a lot of time and effort out of that, so we can respond very rapidly. But it also passes the information to manufacturing so that we can optimize our manufacturing, minimize our costs, improve our yield, improve our throughput, improve our productivity. So we're very excited about that.
Okay.
In addition, we believe we have the best safety program. Our behavior-based safety program is second to none, and our zero defect initiative around quality. We want to be the leader in quality products in the United States.
Sure. Okay. And what do you see for BlueScope and the metal building system industry in the next 12 to 24 months?
Well, for the next 12 months, we're completing our integration projects. So Visalia, California plant was the first BSL plant, as we could call it, the first BlueScope plant with the capability of producing multi-brand products. We can successfully produce Butler buildings, Barco Pruden buildings, Liberty buildings, and HCI steel buildings, which we did just recently last week. So the next phase with that is the next plant to go live with that ability is our St. Joe facility, and they're going to do that in May, and we're going to phase through every one of our plants this calendar year.
Wow.
All 10 plants.
Wow.